Alright, y'all need to go to the back. Come on. You're not supposed to be in front of the house. Come on. Yo, go on. Go on. Get up there. There you go. Come on. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today is going to be a little bit different. This is not about my greenhouse today. I'm here at the house and trying to get some things done while I'm trying to still manage two properties. So my goal right now was to get some things done here around the house and getting things ready for my spring garden. That it's kind of running late, but because of the greenhouse, because my two little kittens, Tut and Press, are not giving any plants no chance to grow here, so I have to take them to the greenhouse. So my goal is to start my little plants, my seedlings, in the greenhouse. But today I was just going to give you all a little update what's going on here at the house. I have been busy though. I have been cleaning my front porch, getting rid of all this wintry, nasty, yucky stuff, and rechanging some of my design, how I'm decorating, staging my front porch. And also I'm going to be going to the chicken area, do some work there, and trying to get my garden going here soon. So I can show you all this when I show you the garden. But this is what I've done here so far here at the front porch. I took some things out, I cleaned my pots, I added some new things to it, and I'll show you that one too. And I have been going thrifting, and I'll tell you one thing, this is such a fun thing to do. If you are looking for certain things and really don't want to spend a lot of money, go thrifting, go to the Goodwill, go to thrift stores, go to flea markets, whatever it is, yard sales, and really look around what you can find there. You can save a lot of money that way, and you find some really cool, unique things. But let me show you what I found at my one thrift. Check it out. This little house I found at a little thrift store, and it didn't look like that. I painted it, and I got that all fixed up, and on top of it is a planter, and it looks super cute. There was like a big hole in there, and I put the planter in it, and I got me a new reef, got me a new fern, and some changing around here on the front porch, moved some things around, got rid of some things. But yes, I found this little table also in the thrift store, in one of these small booths and everything, but it looks so much cleaner, and I'm planning on putting some more stuff right here in this container and some over there. So but I got it all cleaned out as best I can. This one I have not touched yet, but look, I have cleaned my flower bed since Chris and Snugglebug likes to help weed eat my front bed flower bed, and I thought honestly that I have lost my hostas, but believe it or not, but they're coming back, and look how beautiful they are looking. Oopsie. How they're looking, I mean, they're just beautiful. Those hostas, aren't they pretty? So I'm planning on taking those and the iris back there to the farm, but look, very lush and very beautiful hosta. So yes, the chickens did a good job on weed eating it and getting a good fertilizing while they were at it. And I'm going to be able to take them up to the farm. Like I said, I thought I lost them, and I can't believe how much those iris has spread out, and I mean they have multiplied. But yes, here at the front porch, I'm ready to move on and go to the back. Hello babies, come on y'all, come on, let's go, come on. Come on, babies. Come on. Y'all, come on. Come on. Come on. Snugglebug, Brownie. Hi, Chris. So I went ahead and moved my netting around because I am planning on getting ready for the garden. And the chicken's done a wonderful job on, now he's showing off. Now I'm going to try to keep him out of the garden so I can get started. My plan is to get more fresh soil in and mix it up with what I got in it so I can get it ready. And check out my basil, my peppermint, and my thyme. They all came back strongly. So I went ahead and actually gave some to my sister, and she going to take some home with her. So, but yes, this is my plan, to get this enclosed, keep the chickens out for now, and to get ready for my garden. And I'm also going to go ahead and clean the run area because it is getting warm, and I want to make sure that I don't have any problems with mites and all stuff in there. And they are just walking around in there. And I will move another area for them to dust bathe. So, and that's also really, really important to keep them healthy and keep them pest free so they can take a dust bath. Y'all know you're gonna be out of my garden you soon, right? Yeah, you're gonna get out of my garden you soon. Can't stay in here no more. What are you doing, Chris? I know. Missy, that is not a cat litter box, and that is not good fertilization for my garden. She's in here pooping in my garden boxes. Here's Pris, and she's something. Teddy, she's something. She is definitely, I call her a chicken cat because she hangs out with the chickens all the time. But yes, so you want to say hi? No? Lacey. Chris. Hey, that's not okay. It's be nice. So my plan for my garden is, y'all be nice. Come on, you guys. Right here, I'm going to be planting some more sunflowers, like the Mexican sunflowers I have that I had last year here. My plan is to add some vegetables and some more herbs in here. But I'm not going to go crazy with vegetables this year, like tomatoes, like I did last year, because I don't need as many tomatoes, and I still got a whole bunch from last year that I freeze-dried. And in this area right here, I'm going to till all this up right here, and I'm going to probably just plant some flowers because I have a whole bunch of seeds that I've gotten from zinnias and stuff, and I'm going to be trying something new that I have never planted before, so I don't know how that will turn out, but I'm going to try. A friend of mine gave me some seeds I've been looking for in the loofah seeds. Nicole was so kindly sending me some seeds from hers that she had out of hers, because actually one loofah produces so many seeds. So she said she had plenty, so she'd be more than happy to send me some. And they have also a YouTube channel called Hidden Oaks Homestead, and it's a really cool channel. And Nicole and her husband, they're running the farm, and they're doing a really good job at it. And she's teaching a lot of things I have forgotten, in ways how to forage and, you know, make your own things and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. But right now I am planning on get started to clean up a little bit to get ready for the spring, because we're going to get pretty busy at the farm, and I want to get this knocked out. So my goal is to take all this hay out of here, to take the risk away from getting mites and stuff, so because this can cause a lot of problems. And I'm going to be cleaning all this up because it needs cleaning because of the winter time. And then, you know, I just like having a cleaner area for my chickens, because if my chickens are healthy and happy, that just makes me happy. So what are you doing? I was telling everybody you're a chicken cat. Yeah, you're a chicken kitty cat. Tutty. I know. You're not supposed to be in here. You know that, right? So I don't care. I don't care. No, I do not. Hey, you gonna help me clean? You gonna help me clean? Alrighty, I guess this work's not gonna get done by itself, so I better get... Are you done? This last time they can get into my flower boxes, because after tonight, after I'll go in, I'm going to go and close it up so they cannot come back in there anymore, so I can start working on my garden. I went ahead and moved all the hay that I had in the run right here, because it was just like a dirt area, so that still gives them a chance to, you know, scratch around and look for stuff, and it will time, you know, take care of it itself. So I went ahead and got it all cleaned up while they're all taking a dust bath in there and I was slaving away. And they got it all, you know, all figured out, I think. Well, bud, you agree? So Henry agrees with me. Henry, don't mess with your brother. I keep calling him Henry. So I got it all cleaned up. Well, bless you, young lady. You're not supposed to be. You're not a chicken cat either, young lady. Quit rolling around in here, and then you come in at night and bathe with me, snuggling with you. What's wrong with you? You're not a chicken. No, you're not. You're not a chicken. No, you're not. You're not a chicken, young lady. But yeah, I got it all straightened out in there as best I can for right now, and I'm going to work on it a little bit at a time. But most of it, what I wanted to do get done today is get all that hay out of there, because it was cold in the run, and that hay in the run was keeping them, give them some warmth from the cold weather. But it's getting warm now, so they don't need it anymore, so it had to come out. Get my garden started so I can start having my garden over here. So I've still got quite a bit work to do in the greenhouse before I can start my little seedlings, but I'm going to get it done. And if you have not seen any of those videos, check it back on the playlist where I've been working on my greenhouse, and I hope y'all enjoy these videos, and I'll take you all along and to kind of show you really what goes into a project, not just like, okay, bam, it's done. It's not like that in real life. It takes time and a lot of work. So I hope y'all enjoy this video and be part of our journey. And if you like chickens and gardening, greenhouse and farm stuff, push subscribe. I would appreciate it, and I will try to get y'all updated as soon as I can more what's going on here. And but also, you know, we've been also working on the cabin. Cabin's coming along great. The next step is putting up a roof. What, baby? Can you come visit me too? Come here. There you go. So I can pick both of you. There you go. I know. You got water in your nose? Don't pick on your sister. Okay? Don't pick on your sister. Some spoiled chickies. Come on. Come on. Come on, ladies. Did I say y'all can come up here? I don't think I did.